Yep.
Rolling?
You should say rolling.
Rolling?
Rolling it is, bro.
Action! Hi guys, welcome to Buy Two Coffee podcast, a podcast where we talk about our personal opinion on various topics and react to some facts. Facts! Good intro again, no?
Yeah, bro.
Second time guys.
Facts. Nailed it.
Straight up facts.
Facts.
Right, so this episode we're going to talk about...
Let's
India
tell them
wants the
Talk
truth.
about the one thing which you like.
Let's tell them our names first.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I'm Rachit.
I'm Sumit.
I'm Satvik.
Madhavan.
Buffering.
Salva internet explorer.
So cat name is there. No.
This is a weekly podcast where we will talk about various issues, but before that, I thought we'd introduce ourselves and how we met each other. So, okay.
So, all of us are 20-year-olds who have one similar
have
experience in life.
No experience in
Real
professional shooting or internship or whatever. Wow, Modi ji, wow. But,
Chronology समझ लीजिए.
We can start in order, like how I met you, and then how we met him, and then how we three met this guy.
This
I
is the
met
most
him in
recent.
between.
Oh yeah.
This is the most recent.
He's yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so Rachit.
where did we...
Salpa Diksha.
Yeah, so we
So
went to the
Diksha is
same...
a place where I think
It's not a place. It's not a place.
It's not a place.
It's not a place. It's not a place.
it's
you
a
want
building
to
where your dreams
It's
go
a
to die.
It's a concrete...
It's a building where depression comes.
If you
Hopes die.
promote suicide, depression, and anxiety and everything related to that, go to Diksha, please.
I'm not putting all this. Right, so
Defamation
it's a
case.
college where you shouldn't go even if you got offered a crore.
I actually.
crore?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
About
Think.
that.
Guys, let's talk about how we met each other.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
fine.
how did we meet to meet?
So, we joined Diksha.
No, yeah, that is there. We joined, but even in college.
Yeah, okay, so I got into Diksha with Sudarshan, friend I've known for like around 8 years, and we both joined Diksha, and we had the orientation day and all that, and we got our classes, and we met everyone, and I saw this guy hanging out with the hectic squad of F section.
Hectic squad.
Yeah, bro, y'all were those kids, bro. Y'all were those guys
By
who
the
like
way,
fuck up,
there are-
fuck around.
By the way,
Big fan.
Big fan.
there are 11 sections in Diksha.
Oh,
11.
yeah.
I'm
2 floors.
very surprised you still remember. all
No,
of this.
I'm not kidding. I don't remember that part of my life.
Heavy trauma, bro.
How
heavy
do you
trauma.
forget
can't-
trauma?
How do you forget?
Ask my therapist.
We know the answer, but not on camera.
Yeah, so I was with Sudarshan, and there were these. I'm not gonna name any names, but like there were these 3 guys who'd like fuck around and be those cool kids in class, and then there was you who'd like, hey, I'm a part of that group also. Hello friends, I'm like with you guys. I'm having fun, yay!
Oh, shit.
And then me and Sudarshan, we were like, oh, check that. Yes, no jokes. We were the only friends we had in class, and then Sudarshan, I don't know how, the antisocial motherfucker he is, he actually spoke to people. Me on the other hand, I'm like,
So,
Any Mallus in the house?
same Mammootty. But no, I actually thought this motherfucker was like actually really cool. Like because
What do you mean actually thought?
yeah, like
Shut up!
no, I actually
You're with me right now recording this podcast.
I actually thought you were really cool, and I didn't think I'd be able to be friends with you and
Acha,
all
okay,
that
like
for
that.
some reason. And because you were that guy who
disappointed.
Reality often disappoints.
because I like at that point, like, yeah, and I tried talking to you, and swalpa my opinion swalpa turned, but like I was friends with
Only
you.
Canada only knows this one. He'll keep bringing that up.
I remember during first week of college or something, we befriended each other. We were on the same bus and shit.
Yeah,
Remember?
and
We
that,
were on the
yeah.
same bus and
That
shit. So,
shitty small bus.
we befriended each other, and I found out that he lives in Tranquil. Okay, which is like
Just
one
like
stone through
there, like that.
By the way, where we are shooting, it's called Singapore.
So
Represent.
one day I called him saying, "Come over, we'll play." It was in the we'll play PS3. Okay, it was in the afternoon.
Wow.
So this
That's
guy
the
comes.
most
Those days.
mainstream invitation.
Those
I've seen.
days.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
You wanna come to my house and play?
That was the biggest honor, bro. Like,
First week of college, we befriended him. I'm like, "Come over." He was the only one close to living to my house. And come over, and then I still didn't know Sudarshan that. So this guy came and we were playing PS3, and then we started talking about lives and shit and how we got caught by parents.
It was a little awkward because
It was-
you know.
yeah, because we hardly
Because
knew
we,
each other.
yeah, exactly. We knew that we lived like 2 minutes away from each other, but like this guy was like, "Come over, bro. We'll play PS3, bro." And I was like, "Oh."
And then he came over, then we started talking about how he used to get screwed by parents and how he was some lanky guy. I mean, it's
He's
not
still.
as opposed, nothing as opposed
It's
to
not like he's
But I
bald.
remember he was bald. Okay, he was bald. And
Oh yeah.
he was bald and he came like PS3 and shit like that. We were playing and he's like, "Bro, I'm from Dubai, bro. Shake represent."
Shake
Like,
represent.
then we were talking, and then-
Yalla.
Yeah.
Baby.
And then we gradually became friends.
Yeah. After that, we
And then I
became
met
big.
Sudarshan and became
And-
friends with him.
And then this guy came after like a year. Like he
Because he came to the college after like a year.
yeah.
So I'll talk about my experience. So like let's not talk about before Diksha because that's long.
those were the days.
Yeah, those were the days. So first day itself it was fucking depression, bro. Honestly, I'm like, why am I here? What have I done?
What is this?
Oh dude, let's
my life.
see, I come from an environment where people my age have opinions. They have thoughts.
They know what to do.
Freedom. And I'm here, dude. They're telling you when to pee, when not to pee. If you pee, there's a guy watching you pee. The floor in charge.
Yeah.
Charge comes in.
I swear,
How
bro.
much time?
We go
He
to
has a timer. We are in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 8
motherfucker.
He has a log.
Like it's
Diabetes comes
like
first.
for real, we go to the washroom. We actually stand there to take a piss, and security guard will be like,
He'll come like that, and he'll see how long you're paying.
You drank too much water today.
He has a checklist going on.
And for me, it doesn't come unless it's like. For me, I have like stage fright.
Performance anxiety. Yes, performance
And
anxiety.
dude, the first time it happened to me, I'm like, are you legit gonna stand there?
You know what the hilarious part was? Because I was tall, I was like
I got used to it.
I was like 6'2" and I go to the bathroom, the wall ends here. Okay. So when I pee, so in Diksha when I was peeing, my head used to emerge on top of the wall. Okay, so there was this wall, there was urinals on this side and sink on the other side. So the guys who come inside the washroom, they start washing their hands and they're looking at themselves in the mirror. In the side, they see a wall and one head on top of it. And I'm like, and it was very awkward because I see this guy smiling through the mirror, seeing my head, and of course I'm peeing. And there-
What was he smiling about?
so how did we both met Sumit?
So one day I think we had games. Oh, by the way, disclaimer.
Games.
It's in a week, Monday to Saturday, you get 1
One.
hour to breathe. Basically.
It's not games, it's freedom from the building.
Yeah.
Entire 1 week, your entire like rest of the week, you're sitting in a classroom. In that 1 hour in that week, you come out, you see, wow, trees,
Sky,
mud,
trees,
people,
other people from different section.
ball,
How can I
football,
see C-section people here?
football.
You start appreciating the fine moments of
There's
life.
absolutely no phones allowed.
And that's how you guys like.
yeah.
That's how I drew attention.
So I think we bunked. No, he was in his original.
We both bunked.
You
This
were-
guy
I was
wore
wearing colour
chappals.
dress 'cause
This
I
guy,
didn't have
yeah,
it.
you were wearing some jacket, some shirt, and you were like sitting like that, checking your phone. We saw the phone. We were like,
phone. Yeah, he was having his phone. So we both were
That is
sitting.
blasphemy.
Yeah, so
Cell phone.
sacrilege. We were sitting behind. We both and we were looking at him. We see this guy and he's holding his phone. I'm like, bro, he has a phone.
chill.
Like a phone. Like even
Like it was fucking cocaine or
like
something.
even Obama wasn't this scared when he saw Bin Laden going.
17-year-old using phone.
In Diksha.
stress.
Mind equal to blown. So we both decided to do you good and
I
came
was listening to music, the balls I had. I was putting-
Balls
I was
I
listening
Wala.
to Chainsmokers. Didn't give a fuck.
You know what we did? We used to wear those long
Oh,
sweaters.
you were in the other branch. Right?
Other branch. I was in DCFL main. Coming
How
to that
many
later.
branches are there, bro?
No, there are quite a few. There's Surana and all that.
Yeah.
So what we used to do is we used to take our earphones.
Wait,
and
one sec. Have
Put
you?
it-
Is
We
the
used
Yeah,
to
yeah,
watch
yeah.
match. We used to watch fucking match. Like, oh, hey, good shot, bro. We had real big beefy guys in the last benches. We used to sit behind that.
I was the people used to sit behind me to sleep.
Yes.
Honestly, I did the same
So,
thing.
so we went up to this guy while he was using his phone. Bro, don't use a phone. Yeah, wait, bro. Wait, Machan. I want to join gym, bro.
Who are you?
Like, dude, don't you get confident. Java. Kept it keeps in his bag. I'm so busy. I am Rachit. Madhavan.
Yeah,
Why do I sound like
I
that?
don't know. Madhavan.
I think first it was just casual, like we used to see, run into each other and say hi, and then the bunking started.
And then, hey bro, do you bunk, bro? Yeah, bro.
Do you bunk?
And like bunking for us, you can't like leave and just come back.
Yeah.
Like, I'll just bunk one.
Whole
I'll
day
come
You
back.
have to bunk the whole day. That is by not coming to fucking college.
I used to like full pack my bag.
I-
And I'm gonna go to the van.
I shit you not. I used to take my school clothes and put my fucking casuals in my fucking bag so that
I
I,
used to
could
carry
change.
Dude,
my
I
book.
didn't have the balls to bunk in Diksha.
I used to carry my books too because I didn't want my mom to get it. Oh, my bag is too light today.
What is that? Dumbbells?
For
Only
us,
2.5. Summe.
for us,
Pussy.
bunking was a different concept, okay? Because we weren't allowed to go outside the campus because there was a guard everywhere all the time. So what we used to do, there was room number 30. Empty room, nobody used it, in the 3rd floor, right next to the washroom, fucking stinky ass place.
Yeah,
So
man,
we used to
fucking
give
Diksha.
attendance. We used to give attendance. First hour attend, seriously attend. Second hour we used to go cut to room number 30,
How
play
many
mini
hours
militia.
should you sit in one room, dude?
No, no, we used to play mini
had
militia.
Same
Shout out
concept,
mini
we
militia.
had- We had sick room.
Oh yeah, sick room. That was a thing. That was a thing.
Sir, headache.
So I used
Sir, my head is
so much happened.
We used to actually be, we used to be little douchebags.
Right before lunch break, me and 3 other people used to go up to the teacher and say, I'm not feeling well. All 4 of us at the same time not feeling well. Okay. Teacher's like, okay, go. We used to go.
Stomach ache, heart
Something's
ache,
wrong, I
diabetes,
can feel
cancer.
it.
For me it was liver. So what we do is 4 of us, we go and sleep in lunch break. We all take out our boxes and start eating. Okay, after we finish eating, of course we'll be sleepy. After lunch break's over, all 4 of us slept. What I did is I slept right in the entrance. So you open the door to the sick room and I'm sleeping there with my legs pointing towards the door and my legs little they're spread. They're spread.
Oh, yeah. Always.
What happens
This
was
motherfucker.
some guy who has got his phone that day, he clicks a picture of me sleeping in the sick room.
Made a meme or something. That
Yeah,
DJ
I didn't know this. Of course, I didn't know this. Okay.
This guy used to be trolled.
Of course, I didn't know this, and I was like, okay, fine. I come back home, open Instagram, Diksha memes and trolls. There's a picture of me sleeping like that with a caption, "This
I
is
was-
what Diksha does to you."
I was legit afraid when I would be like mentioned on that.
Seriously, bro.
I used to
What,
be
the
scared.
first post, I was like, why?
Fuck, I was scared.
Why? I started making all my pictures private after
Because that
day.
wasn't just funny memes, that was insulting memes. Like,
Yeah.
When did you know Diksha is not for you? I'll tell you my
Day
story.
one.
No,
First hour, first class.
When did that moment come to you?
I think after
was
first
in,
week.
I was in the van on the way back. I used to hang out with some Kumaran's PU people, and I had an offer for
Which school were
Kumaran's.
you in?
I was in Aurobindo.
Okay.
So then,
Oh.
like, I wrote Kumaran's and like, all that happened, and
Hectic.
then I used to see those people having fun, chilling. They're like, hey, today in class, such scenes we pulled.
You
I-
thought Diksha was cool?
No. I knew Diksha was serious. I joined because I wanted to become an IIT and all that shit. And within 1 week,
All
I'm
of
sitting
us.
there. I'm sitting there in the van listening to Avicii. I'm like, gee, what am I doing with my life?
Yeah, bro.
Why have I ended up in this place?
Guys, we have coffee, by the way.
Okay. It's called Bible
Quote
coffee.
unquote
We need
coffee.
a
Yeah, it's called Bible coffee.
Nice. Okay, so like it just strikes you in one moment. Do you remember when that moment was for you?
I think after first week, when I was called for my shoes. Okay.
Oh, this guy used to wear sneakers.
Always a
My
good
foot
shoe.
size is 30. UK 30.
You don't get that Adidas.
You
clothing.
don't get.
No, don't hit this.
You don't get shoes my size. You don't. So I have to go. Only Nike and like Skechers and New Balance make my shoes.
Whoa.
So I went,
You balance.
went to Nike, bought
He
10
didn't
shoes.
say Bata at all.
Bata doesn't make 10 only, bro.
No
You get
Paragon, no
Bata
Bata.
shoes. The Bata
Bro.
biggest size will fit my toe, bro.
So I was thinking Jordan Air Force One. Nike was.
I bought those Nike shoes, come and I got called to the principal's office because I was wearing Nike shoes. So I go up and she's like,
Satisha.
what is this? What is this? I'm like, ma'am, I don't get my. No, you can get your size. No, ma'am, you don't get 30.
You go buy and come, no?
No, if you tell them, they'll make it for you. You have to go buy. I'm like, ma'am, so I have to make it. I have to get it custom.
What? My
No,
dad
today,
owns Nike.
Today I want.
Today.
I got sent home.
Yeah, fuck Diksha, bro.
Dude, what
I
Seriously.
couldn't attend more than 3 days a week. That too. I used to, I had a timetable to bunk.
What?
Monday attend, Tuesday bunk, Wednesday attend, Thursday bunk,
I
Friday
should have
attend, Saturday bunk. Me in the morning, okay, my entire life depended on this guy because this guy was the only other chute who would bunk with me. This guy and 2 other people.
In the morning, hey bro, you're bunking, huh? And I'll be like,
Thinking.
I don't know,
deciding.
bro. Please tell me, dude.
You were just waiting for a yes.
Yeah, that was the biggest yes I waited for. Honestly. Fuck marriage proposal, this is the.
Marriage, you're getting married.
Married,
proposals now.
Dude, I dated
Bro,
this guy
leave
pretty
that.
much.
Yes, from mall going out to eat shawarma.
I pretty much dated this guy. And okay, see, once you miss your bus, once like 8:50
Oh
mark.
shit, missing the
once-
boss. Fuck.
Once that 8:50 mark crosses, you're fucked. You can't go on anymore.
Yeah,
so
no
full
scene.
day, what will you do alone? So this guy, I depended on this guy. This guy, I feel like
I'll screw with the mic.
if this guy would try to play a prank, he used to. Okay, like bro, I don't know, bro. Hey, I sat on the bus already.
Gone. That's over.
That,
He never did it.
that moment of heartbreak.
Bro, one time I actually sat on the bus and then this guy texted me and I was like, it's like talking for smokes. Like I was really talking for actually bunking. I was in the bus and then I stopped the guy. I was like, my dad is going to drop me because there's something urgent. I ditched it and I met you.
See, I dated.
Hey, we
him.
didn't talk about how we met Satvik.
Oh,
let-
yeah.
Let's
You
just
met
tell
me
her.
in Flame Entrance.
Yeah, so we were writing a university entrance, and I think his dad knew my dad,
Yeah.
and we.
How did
we
you
met
know that
and
his
then
dad?
we-
Like what?
Our dads introduce each other.
And
Oh,
yeah,
Hey!
this
Hey,
is the
get
arranged friendship.
Hey, software friend. Hey.
Play with him. Play with him.
Hey, with the government. And then we met each other.
I'll tell you one more. This Simbi entrance. I saw your name. I texted you. Where are you? He's like,
Oh yeah.
I'm
Coincidentally, we wrote Symbiosis entrance.
Yeah.
You guys have a history. We met this guy now.
Yeah.
Legit, the first episode is like
Legit.
hi.
Hi.
But
Sasvik.
But this guy and me, right? So what we used to criminals bunk. There's this apartment called Elita.
Ah.
People represent terrace. 2 shit. What shit I won't mention because PLR city is
Please,
little.
please. If you're
Police
watching
station.
this, please.
We were studying. They were studying.
What is this or what is
Group assignment. So we used to put one in the
this?
morning.
Lesson. We put one lesson.
Put one in
Put
the
one
morning.
lesson. Put one physics class.
Physics.
So till
Physics.
11 we used to put one, then we used to get hot no afternoon, then we used to go to Jayanagar.
Yeah.
Have you ever been suspended from
I haven't.
DCFL?
I
I'll
was
tell you my
very
story. I'll tell you my
Yeah, I've
story.
been suspended.
I'll tell you my story.
Okay.
So we used to have a floor, third floor. We used to have
You had
a
third
floor.
floor.
Yes, we had third floor.
Wow.
We used to have a floor in charge called Chandra Prakash. Okay,
heavy.
I go outside B section. I see there's Sunil, the nicer guy.
Floor
I run to
charges
my
were the
sec-
most used.
I see Sunil. I register in my mind. Oh, Chandra Prakash has been demoted to first floor. Sunil has been promoted to third.
Promotion like
Yeah, there
one
was by the way. So then I run to my class. I forgot the section. That's how traumatizing it was. I run to my class. I face my friends who were at the corner. I face them, and then I'm like, "Hey, Chandra Prakash Shagar fucked off to first floor." All these friends are like, I'm like, "What happened?"
He's behind.
And then exactly one guy with a shrill voice is like, "He's behind." I turned back. Over Diksha. IIT dreams and hopes came crashing down on that day. And I tell you how I was suspended.
Chandra Prakash.
I'll tell you how I was suspended. I was made to sit in front of the AO's room in the registration desk area. I was made to sit
fuck
there.
is an AO,
I was supposed to come to Diksha, sit there all day for 3 days until I call my dad and tell him this had happened. And I was too reluctant.
We can't talk about Diksha and not talk about checking.
Checking
Okay,
was
for
so-
everyone who's flown, I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone who's flown.
Flown.
Airport I can't do.
If you think airport security is bad, you have not witnessed how Diksha checkings go. I'm not even kidding. It's like next level.
It's like you committed a big crime, like guna.
What you have in Diksha's law, carrying a phone or a perfume is class A murder.
I'll tell you how it happens. Every time it's either maths or chemistry. Teachers teaching one very serious subject, and then you hear knocks on the door. In our class, actually, you had a little glass pane, so you could see who's there. We saw immediately if we see one like a gang of teachers lined up, they're like, hey, checking. So we always had like that extra
Everyone
second.
would just shove it up there under.
We had that extra second.
Go to hiding place, crouch.
Just
It's legit prison.
hide
Cough
it
2 times.
wherever-
Cough.
Not,
Bend
these
down.
guys have been trained, I think,
Yeah,
IPS
They
or
all
shit
they
like
all
that.
were wardens.
They know exactly where to search.
Yeah.
Like they have zoned in. Okay, this guy has hidden it in his lunch bag. Let's
Dude,
search his lunch bag.
Frisking in Diksha borderlines on sexual assault and physical abuse.
For real, bro, they literally shove their hands up your asses.
like,
they
I've had
really do
teachers-
it.
My first sexual experience was in Diksha.
Is Diksha.
I
My
forever remember
first
it.
physical abuse experience was in Diksha where he's like, and he checked my entire body and like,
Probably like tickle your balls all the way, bro.
You know what the most fuck all part was?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Trigger.
You know what the most fuck all part was? One day they came for checking, okay? Huh? My phone was in the bag, they couldn't find it, but they fucking molested me.
I've had that white iPhone which I had to give to him. He had picked up his phone or something. And I had kept that in my bag. They searched my entire bag, didn't find it, found like one earphones or something, took it, came out.
I kept earphones also, bro.
See, the
like they
tall,
wantedly came in just to touch
the
my
tall
hands.
hefty guy gets screwed first. Okay, so Rachit, come here.
Yeah.
Came, full body scan, search with their hands, not machine or
X-ray.
anything. With their hands.
Like, sir,
Okay.
invest in one
And
machine
you
now.
think
What?
you're done. You think you're done. Collar etto. Collar you have to up.
How do you keep
Yeah,
your
do
phone?
you
Like,
have to-
yeah, I
take
have
your
a
shoes and
chroma
socks off?
outlet in my
Did
shirt,
they do
bro.
this to you?
Yeah.
Well,
Cough.
On that.
bend over.
And this guy, the PT teacher, used to put his hand around my belt and what circulate us to see if I
Just
have-
like feel you up.
and
onto it.
still, you think you're done. No. Hand goes inside, bang!
No. Yeah.
Sees if I have any.
In 2017, you know the smartphone, like remote technology on your smartphone,
Yeah,
like you
yeah.
could switch off things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was like considered new. Like we were like, wow, bro, phone does that.
My
So this
fault.
one fucker, okay. First week when you do it, it's funny. They're like, wow, you know that smart board thing, no?
Yeah.
Switch it off. These anyway, no education. One week they were like figuring it out.
How
like,
to how chalk?
Sir, half of the sir, it is offing.
It is off.
Offing. So then they call the technician guy. Okay, technician guy like it's fine.
Technicians guy go to
The technician guy itself doesn't have
go
education.
to solution is hit the TV 3 times to see whether
His
it works.
solution was to hit it. Madam, it's working fine. Then they got to know something is fishy. Some of these fuckers are doing something. You should stop. No,
Oh.
no. Let's try to trick them more. Second week also. Wow, I have achieved humor.
Comedy king.
Comedy king. Humor 100. Then every time this fucker would do it, next lunch break 5, one checking squad used to be there. Remember?
Obviously.
They'll come cough.
Why was the
Bend
CS
over.
teachers always in the checking
No,
squad?
for us the game. Go
That's the
for
least amount
section.
of work. That's the
Go
least
for
amount-
a section. Sexual suspect with suspicious law. Can be non-canonical.
affirmative.
Correction has to be non-canonical.
This guy who used to get fucked for not knowing Kannada. Oh my god, Papa, I actually feel bad.
What did you do after Diksha?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ joined Design College.
Design college.
PS
Still
University.
there,
Yeah.
You happy, yo?
Yeah, bro. I'm actually in pretty good place, except
Yeah, this is not an audio podcast.
Yeah, you can.
You're looking into the mic. It's actually the camera is there.
Hello, guys.
But like yeah, PS is like fun and I don't regret, like I fucking hate Diksha, but like I had a lot of good, like I had my good times in Diksha and I'm sure y'all did too. I don't know about
PS
this
is
guy. Yeah, but PS was a little better.
For me, yeah, like after Diksha, I joined PS.
Ah.
Different department, but horrible experience. Like
correct.
for me, this guy made friends and shit. For me,
No,
I
for me,
wasted my
because
time.
Diksha was within 3 kilometer radius from
Your
my house.
mama, like
I
nearest
decided to go away from part of this country.
trauma,
I was like, I
goodbye.
can't handle this. I can't see Diksha.
Let's go to
Let's
Delhi.
go to North India.
And he came back.
I came back.
Yeah, what did you do?
I went to Delhi after Diksha.
uh,
And then
Me, I decided to remain in Karnataka. Like after
I'm like,
3 years, I'm like,
can't do
Manipal,
this.
where I
Karnataka boys.
then I came back. But then it's cool. It's cool.
But I'm liking Manipal, bro. I think they're a bit professional. It's in like actual university. Unlike PS, I'm like, hey, get up. Please,
Nice.
students. That is another one, Childre place.
PS.
I don't know about his department because there are like 15,000 people there. You don't know.
What do you do after Diksha?
Yeah, after Diksha, I just lasted 1 year at Diksha. Cut to Vijay Composite PU College. Got
correct.
through with 50% attendance.
Correct.
And then I joined Flame University. So yeah, it's going good.
I am doing media and communication. What are you doing?
Bro.
Bro.
BBA.
He's doing bro.
Bro.
BBA.
Bachelor's in bro. You? Design.
Design, bro.
Major in what?
Huh?
Design in what?
Oh, interaction design.
I mean, in the eyes of Diksha, we are pretty much failures.
Yeah, but
like
but
all
in
of us were supposed to have
In our
very
own
big
eyes only.
but in the same time, it's
But we are doing what we like.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
doing
yeah.
what
That's
we
the
want.
point. That's the point.
That's the
Basically, to conclude,
good.
By Two Podcast is a weekly podcast where we talk about current affairs and our personal views on it. And we react to certain facts as well. So stay tuned. We'll be back with next episode. We'll probably have to discuss the topic.
Yeah, next week.
But we'll be back.
See you all.
See you.